Welcome to Peter's Timber Shop, where precision meets perfection. In this educational video, we'll delve into understanding sandpaper grades and their diverse applications in woodworking. Greetings, woodworking enthusiasts. Join us as we explore the world of sandpaper grits and how they contribute to achieving flawless woodworking finishes. Before we dive into the grits, let's take a brief look at the history of sandpaper. This indispensable tool has a fascinating past, dating back to ancient times when crushed shells, seeds, and sand were used to smooth and finish wood. Over centuries, sandpaper has evolved with the introduction of glass, garnet, silicon carbide, and aluminum oxide as abrasive materials. The invention of sandpaper revolutionized woodworking, allowing for greater precision and an improved finish on wooden pieces. Today, we have a plethora of sandpaper types available in the market, each designed for a specific purpose. Understanding the history of sandpaper will give you a deeper appreciation of this essential woodworking tool. Now, with this historical context in mind, let's move on to understanding sandpaper grits and their applications. Now that we know the history, let's delve into the fascinating science behind sandpaper. On a microscopic level, sandpaper works by scraping away tiny fragments from the surface of the wood. This is achieved through the abrasive materials embedded in the paper, like glass, garnet, silicon carbide, or aluminum oxide we mentioned earlier. These materials are chosen for their hardness and durability, enabling them to withstand the pressure of sanding without disintegrating. Different types of wood react differently to sandpaper. Hardwoods like oak or maple require a coarser sandpaper for effective results, while softwoods like pine can be easily worked with finer grits. Understanding the science behind sandpaper will help you make more informed decisions in your woodworking projects. Now let's dive into the world of sandpaper grits. Choosing the right sandpaper can make a big difference in your woodworking projects. There are several factors to consider when selecting the proper sandpaper for your task. First, consider the type of wood you're working with. As we mentioned in the last scene, different woods have different hardness levels and require different grits. Secondly, think about the nature of your project. Are you trying to remove a lot of material quickly, or are you fine-tuning a nearly finished piece? Thirdly, consider the stage of your project. Coarser grits are ideal for initial stages, while finer grits are perfect for finishing touches. A common mistake to avoid is using a grit that's too coarse for the job, which can cause unnecessary damage to the wood. Remember, choosing the right sandpaper is an art in itself, and mastering it can take your woodworking projects to the next level. Let's start by explaining the concept of sandpaper grits, showcasing various grit sizes and their respective uses in woodworking. For different woodworking tasks, it's important to know when to use coarse, medium, and fine grits. Now let's move on to a practical demonstration. We'll apply different grits on wood surfaces to highlight how each grit level affects the finishing results. We'll also showcase the proper sanding techniques and tools for optimal results with various sandpaper grits. But that's not all. Join our woodworking community at www.peterstimbershop.com to receive your complimentary Mastery Woodworking video guide and ebook. Sign up now to gain deeper insights into woodworking techniques and tools. Enhance your woodworking skills with us. Thank you for exploring different sandpaper grits with us. At Peter's Timber Shop, we're dedicated to helping woodworkers achieve perfection in their craft. Visit our website at www.peterstimbershop.com for more information. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Happy woodworking!